मैम खुरमजरी अदोम निम्ब्रिबसी इम्पैक्ट न्यूज़ नि Diaspora Speaks की अनोब एपिसोड तम मैम बुतराम ओक्चरी आई अदोम की होस्ट प्रियोबर्ता शर्मा नि ngasi अखोइना ngasi के एपिसोड तो नजगदोरिबसी थौनाओजम मेराबा मैतेई मैक्स मैतेई हरेजु खंगनबा मैं इम्फाल दगी होजिंगना दुबई दा fitness and wellness consultant oina leibani hojik Meiraba ko unerga wari sharse Meiraba, welcome to the show. Thank you so much for joining us. Meiraba si hojik se Dubai da fitness and wellness consultant oina leibani detail lagtne da Dubai de kamai yauhibno adu upna khana hai.
First and foremost, impact TV bu yengbiriba mayam purimakta aina khurumjari aigi hawbagi journey is sangdi am sangi.
Okay.
Sangaga so roughly I'll just tell a short story.
Okay.
I have struggled myself quite a lot to reach to a certain stage in Dubai. So at the beginning it was very fortunate that I met one of my, I could say is like a brother. Okay. His name is Momo. Okay. With his assistant, I was able to get into the profession called fitness industry. Okay. So he was my first, what you call, professional advisor to me.
Guru,
yeah, something like that. So I would really, first and foremost, thank to him that he showed me the way how we can progress into the field of profession as a fitness or wellness consultant. Okay. This fitness and wellness consultant crept in after the experience of like more than 5-7 years. Okay. But before that, you know, sidadi yo chana baje sigi prospecti irei leite laita bena chumna kadang yo chana ga competition ama thoga madudagi phangakpa job opportunity do kadang laibana tana adagi arena da irei leite laita bena samjan jarage mo samjan jabje kain to weda ai je Delhi da hujiki damo haibadu aduga sum akoi Delhi da di Meitei mecha mayam pulli pun bajuda yo sana bada khangnarak bane khangnarak bajida sana ba yaubani na moi gizu gym da mi dakar oiba leidana ade max nang samai tawni som da gym gi haifet mi dakar oi kholi adudagi aigi ka haitare field jida enter tawa hawne okay hawa jida gi adudagi di matang after joining into the job, I knew what the job, what you call the fitness industry is all about. I didn't start off as to be a fitness trainer. It so happened that I was lucky enough to get into the profession. Okay. Then after that, I started getting myself into inquiring more deep what I can do out of this, educationally and like experiencing it. So in that matter, I got into the fitness industry. I stayed in Delhi for a while. Then I stayed in Bangalore as same field. Okay. So I was working in Hyderabad, I was working in Delhi. Then at one fine day, you know, you would like to grow up in life. So I was just looking out for some opportunities. Okay. So luckily I got an email from Dubai, from a yoga center, inquiring that they would require a yoga teacher with a fitness experience. Okay. So I thought this is the best opportunity to grab it. Okay, so Hyderabad,
no,
I was in Bangalore. Okay. From Bangalore, I got that opportunity.
Okay. Dubai chatting in the Meiraba jan Hyderabad su yoga trainer and lebi amro.
No, I wasn't as a yoga trainer. I was a fitness trainer. Okay. But I had a little knowledge about yoga. Okay. Because I was doing a lot of like diplomas and certification. This is like story after being into the fitness industry for like 2-3 years. Okay. So,
Dubai de Liberty Meiraba, are you totally into yoga or is it not related to yoga at all?
No, fitness concept is not just being what you call not sick or looking good. Okay. So there are whole lot of concepts. When you say wellness, there are 4 factors very important: physical well-being, mental well-being, emotional well-being, and spiritual well-being. Okay. So when you have to touch all this, you have to go through certain techniques. So that technique what I use is yoga and yogic science. Okay. Okay. So mostly is something to do with yoga. Okay. Yeah.
All right. So Dubai the hojik fitness advisor oina haibitare lebiria do adu lak tngai da Meiraba ki interest se body building da hori khapani haina hapet biodata yeng khangje say for example 2011 da you took part in NAC Mr Universe in Hamburg, Germany.
Yes.
Adumaina contest mayama like gold medal phangre 65 kg category da 2010 da Mr Manipur da 2009 the bronze medal Mr Emirates that was held in Ajman UAE under 60 kgs adumaina yam gre hai vai sum palle di matam mangda body building sidagi how givne hai ba Manipur dagi
actually khoi marusu Bangalore rom dagi haurpani na Bangalore da lai ngai da every school has different sports.
Yeah.
So I was in all the sports.
Okay.
I was very passionate about sports.
Okay.
Still I am. So I took part in all the events. But bodybuilding crept in once I had to focus more on education.
Okay.
Because if you do team event, you need to compromise certain times and flexibility in your day-to-day schedule.
Matam
matam phangdamina group sanabajidi itanda practice tawadi yabdi nate do adada in that pattern I moved into bodybuilding
itanda to we
so just to give you a heads up I have played hockey for school I was in that I was very fortunate to be in the school where Mr Jude Felix our ex-Indian captain I think I studied there St. German and I'm very fortunate to have all my coaches, especially my sports coach, Mr. Samraj, Mr. Steven, Mr. Brown, and at the end, Mr. Leo.
Okay.
So all of them has groomed me of what I am right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's very nice. Bangalore da learning da jo sum takpire school days da sports khakta na tabida in tum pazabada painting competition gumba competition poi ode auction five tare Camlin nasin ba contest tam jo first prize phangi bi adumaina not just sports painting competition gumba adigi in terms of academics da jo history geography da adu mark wange na taje kamaina manage koi
I for my personal opinion to groom as a individual you need to experience all angles all fields so I was very fortunate enough to study in St. German's. Yeah, it was financially difficult for everybody. I understand that. But I am very grateful to my parents for giving me this opportunity to study in Bangalore. So luckily we had all the opportunities opening in our school. And plus I was quite, jack of all, master of none, something like that.
The painting
So I was quite able to make time for everything.
Okay. Now coming back to your profession, professional qualification, you've had a diploma in fitness and nutrition from Penn Foster Career School, that's in Scranton in USA.
Okay.
How did that happen?
Right now, I told you, I didn't do education and get into my professional field.
Okay.
So I started with profession, then as long as a do your field, you require certain amount of education background and knowledge and technical stuff. So in that pattern, I started looking out to upgrade myself.
Okay.
Right now, I finished my master's in yoga and I finished my master's in psychology also.
Okay.
So that was at the beginning where I used to look around because fees are quite expensive. So to cope up that, I used to manage like online courses and different things.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's how you have so many other certifications, diploma in yoga, takpire ko,
Yeah.
Sadhguru Yoga Ashram Palakkad degi
Yes.
phange. Adagi through yoga Singapore. What is that all about?
It's we had different workshops and seminars. So from my personal point of view, I would try to do one seminar a year relating with yoga or fitness and one bodybuilding competition a year to keep myself engaged. Bodybuilding is my passion and yoga and fitness oriented work is my profession.
Okay.
So I'm fortunate enough to have my my hobby, my passion as my profession.
Okay, that's very nice. Every year bodybuilding competition.
I try to do as.
Okay, so the last one was in 2011 in Hamburg, Germany.
Yes, yeah, but recently I have not able to make myself for the competition because yesterday also we had a facilitation program for a few people. Luckily enough, from my childhood, I would think I had three things in mind. One, I would like to represent my country, whatever it is. and one I would like to do something for my country. So I was just looking out different options where I can evolve myself to reach to my passion of to represent my country and to serve my country.
Okay.
So represent my country, I'm doing as I'm teaching yoga to in Dubai. We have a nationality over, I think, correct me if I'm wrong, maybe like 190 nationalities. So I'm fortunate enough to represent yoga being from India. So I represent myself, and in this field of sports, I represent in bodybuilding.
Okay.
To serve for my country, that requires a little bit of so many angles, you know, the financial and different things and support. So luckily, I'm able to have friends who are like-minded. You know, they say the saying like, bird of feather flocks together. So I'm able to have few friends in Manipur like me, namely Jivan and Govind, and I have few friends in Dubai like Jignesh and Amit, just a few to name.
Okay.
So we have started a foundation called Rising Notice.
Okay.
So what our foundation main target is to provide employment opportunities of the youth of Northeast, not only Manipur.
Okay.
Since I'm from Manipur, we have started from Manipur itself. And second thing is to generate resources or something to say about getting foreign what you call investments or currency here back in Northeast or Manipur.
Okay.
So far we are able to get a few things rolling. Like yesterday we had that thing facilitation program for those who have trained and those who have got placement.
So Reliance
no, we are tied up with a company called Global Remote.
Global Remote.
So they are the one who train them and place them.
Okay.
So luckily, with their help, we are able to touch 4 people who were struggling their life. You know, to
1
get
from Nagaland and 3 from Manipur.
Yeah, 3 from Manipur.
Yeah.
So you know the situation in Manipur.
Yes.
To get a job for 15,000 rupees is like a milestone. So what our company has provided. The first salary of them is 30 to 40,000 Indian rupees, and those are not that educated. So a person who is not that educated to able to reach to the certain what you call amount of money is, I feel we have done something for the family and yeah.
Achumbane Dubai da lerga ai du hangjage toromane Dubai da lerga Manipur da lapagi plan lebra Manipur da kari tobning haba adu hangjane mane do ngawai Meiraba ne ping e ju mayang fal da mika club linkhalamena paukta je adun kamai to guno
ai se angang oi ngai dai so aina hana makok tai do ting haijagare sanabada yam pamde akoi lekai haitare lekai da ai je name was name means, you know, certain kids are a bit bigger than other people. Since I'm short, so I was quite small. But I would like to try my hand in everything. And luckily at that time we are quite financially sound, and my father would back up with all the equipments, whatever needed to play. So in that matter, I was able to fetch in whatever games we play, like football, cricket especially. Yeah. So I was able to get all the materials to play. So in that matter, I was able to convince people that I can provide something to play, so that we can organize a club or organization something to represent or to play something.
Okay, that's very noble thought. Adu hujiksu hujiking sai Meiraba and takpi rising star and powers thing jagre mibu employment opportunities PB same felicitation program the former MLA Dr. Narana Juhai. You can't just depend on government jobs. Meiraba to is very very appreciable. Adu madi thagat. So coming back to your Dubai life right now. Other lives, how is the quality of life? The rules are strict. Crime rates are almost zero. Dubai rule, the UAE rule. Okay. And so, Meitei mcha ke amdi lai ada pundana khotna once in a while social gathering the togro khot pra happen.
Meitei Mesa right now is globalized, so I think there's always Meitei Mesa everywhere. In Dubai also we have. I have met them once, I think. Since my profession is different, in the sense not different like having like engineer or medical. My profession is different because my food habit is different. So I feel a bit offended if I go and if I don't eat anything, because I follow certain diets and certain discipline where I'm not able to engage as a socialized person.
Okay.
So in that matter, I don't mingle around with many people.
But there are Manipuris.
Yeah, there are a lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
As I mentioned, the rules are strict. Crime rate almost zero.
Yeah.
So how is it for you? I mean, is it easy to live there? How is the quality of life? You know, in a nutshell, how is it? How do you feel? Do you feel safe?
Since I have grown up as from the boarding school, I think in a life you need to be disciplined.
Okay.
So I guess that's a basics requirement you need. Be disciplined and be on time. So I guess it's not very hard for me to adapt myself, but I enjoy being there. But two different aspects of life is that in Dubai I get luxury and comfort.
Okay.
But back home in Manipur I get love and care. That's only the difference.
That's very nice.
Yeah.
That's a very nice. On that note, we're going to take a break.
Yeah.
Break in matungda Meiraba ga wari sanaraga magi family gi matangda karam horakhiba kamaina Manipur ge Bangalore chatkhiba haibna chingba khana jage. Break of the luminacy. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News. Mayam bo amuk na taram no okchari akoi na ngasi Diaspora Speaks to unajribasi Meiraba Meitei, also known as Max Meitei. Meiraba makha taboina family matangda, your parents, your siblings, you know, family matangda kamaina mayang falde ni deta je. Adu kin happy soroko mai.
I feel family is how you make. In the sense, I think I don't know how I would like to put in. It's not about what you call blood related. It's something to do how you born yourself.
Correct.
So in that matter, in our family, I had a brother.
Okay.
Yeah, and I have 3 sisters. So one is my younger sister, and 2 are my elder sisters.
Okay.
But talking by the blood point of view, I just have a younger sister.
Okay. So they're all here in.
Yeah, they are. I'm very thankful to my sisters, my brother who was. I love him.
Okay.
I respect him. But you know, in families you have misunderstandings and different things.
And that happens.
Yeah, that happens. So I guess coming to our family thing, there's a Chinese proverb I would like to say.
Please.
They say, when, to every crisis there's an opportunity. So I have learned from my family experience how his life is all about.
Okay.
So yeah.
Okay. So Meiraba in the Dubai life, you visit your family once in a while, like once in a year,
I make sure that I visit once a year, or I make sure that they come and visit me once a year.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they're happy to see you in Dubai.
They are happy for me to see them here, not happy for them to come there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they'd love to see you more back
Yeah,
home.
definitely.
Okay. Oh, fine. Ado Meiraba na pi ngadi bodybuilding torokpa, academics plus co-curricular activities tau em yorpa. So all the time family need them support arone de khalle.
Always. Whatever I do, my family, my father, my sister, one of my sister is married.
Okay.
And we have 3 kids,
Right.
lovely, 2 boys and 1 daughter. My sister and my brother-in-law is very supportive.
Okay.
So I'm really thankful to them also.
That I think that's the most important thing. Haidi koina kanoma tong mata Dubai chappa or anywhere you want to go work in Dubai, any of the fields. I think family support is a must.
Yeah.
Adu medium noise. Adu ngasai ki bodybuilding career da bronze medal me am lo kiba, gold medal lo ba, hamburg ka yogi bje. See Manipur dagi leading dagi hona kiba like I desu Mika club dagi hona kiba dagi Bangalore ling desu gym de am thawa yaw kiba sidagi competition mathang thang yaw bra natraga kamai to gi sis.
For me, I would like to excel whatever I touch my hand. So I pick what I could excel myself. So to excel yourself, you need 2 things. From my point of view, are you willing enough to take the challenges, or you're not willing enough to take the challenges? If you're willing enough to take the challenges, you will able to get what you want to achieve. But if you're not willing to take up the challenges, then you become a mediocre.
Okay.
So
bodybuilding matang the same program Meiraba few weeks back we met Dr. Ngamam Shanti Kumar.
I respect him. He was my what you call motivation and inspirer also.
Okay. Mana off the camera Harambadasu, on the camera Harambadasu. He believes in natural.
Yeah.
So he is all into natural. Ngasigi leriba youth hori ba mayam china naktangi medal phangnaba naktangi fame or money phangna bada you know lots of asteroids kumba adu oda ma'am do adum tudi to biginu na harame. What is your take on that?
Frankly speaking, people have a misconception. Sports and exercise is two different fields. Sports is never healthy. If you exercise, you're at the beginning I said well-being. When you're exercising, it's for your well-being. When you're sports, you have to excel yourself. You have to push your body or your mental ability to a certain extent. In yoga, it's all balance. When you go out of balance, there's some or the other happening in your body. So sports, it's like a profession. So you go through different phases. So there's always good and bad about it.
So tough competition or immediate fame phangning by immediate name phangning bagdi to it's bad to the health.
In my point of what you call opinion, if you are choosing your sports, for example, you like especially in the border areas, we have soldiers. So like especially in Kashmir and Bangladesh border, soldiers are there. They fight, they kill people, they kill opposite enemies. So they are not called murderers, right? We respect, we give salute, they kill them. In the same way, if you come to the mainland, wherever we are settling down, if you kill someone, you'll be put to the prison. So it all depends how you look at the things.
Perspective to
perceptive. So I guess if you want to excel yourself, sports, this
you have to push.
Yes, there's always a grey matter about it. So.
Meiraba was Dubai the like how is it different? Fitness, wellness, you know, expert amoina students me amda takpi vida. Like right now, are you associated with one of the training institutes or something like that?
Yeah, I'm a freelancer there. So I teach at Fitness First. I used to teach in Gold Gym. Then I'm teaching at Fit Republic. I'm teaching in a yoga center called Zen Yoga. And I have few private clients around. So experience is good.
So you go different places.
Yeah, different places. I don't call myself as a teacher. Students teach me every day to teach them back.
Freelance to aduna comfortable or freelance to
I can't sit for that 9 to 5 job. That's not my type.
Not your type of tea or coffee. Chalaga ishana sangzamatamda taksaru budune. Yes. Adu tapumatamda how do they perceive? Like you are a foreigner to them. For example, Dubai macha mayam lere. I mean different nationalities lere. So you are both certified in yoga professionally, plus you groom yourself as a bodybuilder. How do you differentiate? How do you make the difference when you pass on your knowledge to them?
It was quite difficult for me. It's not difficult teaching them. Difficult for them to understand. Me being from Northeast, I don't look Indian. At first question, you don't look Indian. That's the first. Every day I face this. Then second part, you don't look like a yoga teacher. So these are the two things I always face. You don't look Indian. You don't look like a yoga teacher.
What are you going to teach us?
Yeah, what you're going to teach us. In every day, mostly I teach yoga. So mostly we say yoga is not what you practice inside that what you call the mat. Yoga practice starts outside your mat. Whatever you do outside, you bring along to the mat. Maybe your mood, your character, everything comes along. Because I guess the mood of every person depends upon how you breathe. So when you're happy, your breathing pattern is never the same. When you're excited, when you're sad, every breathing pattern is never the same. So what we try to do in yoga is to stabilize yourself, to be what you call, you can't say normal, to be stable.
No matter what your emotions are.
So we do that through pranayam, through asanas, bandhas. So there are different techniques. So yoga itself is like a lifestyle. So it's not just the boundary of a man.
UN Nazu international yoga they recognized
I'm really thankful to Mr. Modi for promoting yoga.
So maybe heart promotion happened and then finally got recognized.
Yeah.
So hujikti worldwide celebrate ore haiba.
But it's very coming to the just lighter note. It's very I don't know to say fortunate or not fortunate. Since yoga was introduced in net, we need to clear the net if you're PhD also to teach in Indian University.
That's a nice one. We don't have much time left, but I'd like to definitely ask you about this. Nasai mapalamda laikipa Meiraba ko mayam say in the States, United Kingdom, very few people give back to the society. Frankly speaking, Meiraba nasai, especially Manipuris mapali ki mayam je Meiraba na being at the club link piramba meka club link piramba mayang falda and tagat pa yawa poni at mina chama no rising kanumna Meiraba to people side providing employment opportunities to the youth. Adumina tung the future kari plan maybe bage group of friends pullaga discuss mayam tonari hai. It's really commendable what you do. So providing employment opportunities to especially the youth of Manipur who are frustrated or educated, frustrated because they don't have jobs. Aduna tung the school plan lebiri bra hojiki Meiraba rising sembi bto adu kana push to can be bra adu ta kan biram.
To my 35 years of experience, I feel there are three kinds of people. One who work for themselves.
Right.
The second person who work for themselves and for the family. The third person work for himself, for the family, and for the society.
The third kind.
Yeah. So I would like to promote through our organization to be the third person, not the first or second.
That's a very noble thought, and I wish you all success in all your future endeavors. On that note, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Matangi episode ta ano guest ang pudun lakchage. Until then, goodbye.